Dentists are responsible for many important tasks, and employers ask this interview question to understand why you chose a career in dentistry. When asking this question, employers are evaluating your interpersonal skills and oral health knowledge. Your ability to care for patients with compassion and integrate best practices and effective dental treatments shows your capabilities and how well you meet the job requirements. Your answer to this question can also help the interviewer understand your motivation and desire to educate and help patients with their dental health and hygiene, which are traits that many employers desire in a candidate. How to answer: why do you want to be a dentist? 1. Think about what inspired you to choose dentistry. Consider several factors that helped you decide on your career path. Factors like helping others learn about their oral health and providing compassionate care show the interviewer your passion and empathy. Because caring for patients requires the ability to communicate and connect with others, these traits are also important indicators of your inspiration for choosing dentistry. 2. Highlight your strengths. Discuss the strengths that support your success as a dentist. For example, hard skills like technology proficiency, dental equipment operation and specialized skills in different fields of dentistry showcase your capabilities in the career. Your soft skills are also important to discuss. Consider 1 or 2 traits you apply in your role, such as open communication with patients and leadership techniques for managing healthcare teams. Details like these allow the interviewer to understand how you plan to contribute to their organization. 3. Relate your skills to the job requirements. When highlighting your strengths, it's also essential you connect these skills to the job requirements. For instance, when discussing technology use, connect your proficiency to the employer's requirements for managing records, budgeting and organizing dental supplies. Discuss specific licenses and certifications you have or are working toward to further demonstrate your ability to fulfill the employer's criteria. Relating your skills and experience directly to the job requirements allows employers to better evaluate your fit for the job. 4. Explain what engages you in your work. Another effective approach to answering interview questions about your career choice is to describe what motivates you. Consider your favorite aspects of the career, such as helping others, providing oral health education or working in complex dentistry fields. Many employers in healthcare fields like to see a genuine passion for patient care and motivation to contribute. Therefore, it's important to describe the type of work that engages you and supports your job satisfaction. 5. Be genuine in your response. When answering this interview question, be honest in your response. Give genuine reasons for pursuing your career field and convey your interest in and curiosity about dentistry, including innovation and advancements. While employers like to know candidates can fulfill the job requirements, they often like to see dentists who are passionate about their careers and the entire dentistry field. Consider relating your values to the organization to reiterate your interest in the role. Use the following examples to help you prepare your responses in advance. Example 1. I've been interested in a career in the healthcare field since I was a senior in high school, and then developed my passion for helping others learn about their oral health when I got into college. Teaching patients about the nuances and functions of teeth and helping them improve their oral hygiene practices is something I feel is essential to helping them better understand how oral health supports overall health. I believe in connecting with my patients and giving the most compassionate care possible to help support their safety and well-being. I also feel my ability to build successful patient relationships can help your organization continue to provide exceptional care and service. Example 2. Research in dentistry is something I have been pursuing, as I am interested in the advancements others are developing in the practice. Before moving here, I helped form and led a small research team, which supported my development in leadership and research and analysis. I understand this role requires some contribution to dental research, and my passion for discovery and improvements in patient care can support this requirement. Example 3. My favorite aspect of being a dentist has always been learning new applications and approaches to caring for patients. Currently, I am learning about holistic approaches to caring for oral health as part of patients' overall health, and these practices have helped me advance my knowledge and skill set. Being able to learn new methods and apply new techniques that improve patient care is one reason I became a dentist. Example 4. One reason I wanted to become a dentist was the opportunity to work in healthcare with other professionals from whom I can learn. Throughout my career, I've had opportunities to mentor assistant dentists, hygienists and technicians and work with many diverse individuals. These experiences have helped me build my leadership skills, knowledge in management and ability to connect with others. Because of these opportunities, I've continued to grow in my career. Example 5. I'm genuinely passionate about advancing my career as a dentist. I recently graduated from dentistry school, and I'm excited to apply what I've learned about patient care and evaluation, diagnosis and treatment. Currently, I'm taking part in a voluntary workshop to learn additional methods for preventative care, which I feel can support my success as a dentist in your organization.